Welcome to day number 11 at Florida and Disney. So we're currently at Disney Springs. We're dropping the car back today, so we decided that we would come and have breakfast at Springs. So we've had a little sandwich today. And we just discovered the most amazing shop. I don't know whether it's Disney side or Disney style, because we're going to have any Disney side.
I think it's style.
Okay, so we're going to go back in there and do some filming, because I basically need everything in that shop in my life. Everything. All of it.
Let's go have a look at it.
This place looks amazing. We need to come back and eat something here. So this is from the ganachery. It's apparently milk chocolate. I've not had it before, so I'm not even sure what it is, to be honest. But very nice place for chocolate. Well done, America. Today we're playing the Fairways course at Fantasia's golf course, and look who's just gone right in a puddle. Wasn't a bad shot though. How wet are you? So we've just come in the back entrance of EPCOT over by France, and yeah, we've got our Festival of the Art passports. Now these are kind of cool. Can you open them up? Hold your drink. You can hold them. So inside you get a load of information. You get stickers.
You do get stickers. Yep.
Ooh, stickers! And then, is this got the bit where we can colour the things in?
It does have the wrappings. It does not have the wrappings, it's just the stickers. Aww. No wrappings this year.
So last year we were able to do like a little rub-in with a crayon at each of the countries. We'll have to read it and see what they're maybe doing this year. So we've picked those up, And we have also picked up our Festival of the Arts guide map, and sorry about the angles, and Festival of the Arts Times Guide, because they're doing nighttime spectaculars, but that's illuminations actually, but it has got a Broadway show, I believe, of an evening.
Yeah, Broadway artists singing each evening.
And that'll be
artists each one.
So that'll be nice. So we're gonna have a wander around all the different countries and see what's going on with Festival of the Arts. If we have any room in our bellies, because we've eaten an awful lot during this holiday, we're going to try some of the snacks, because there seems like there's some really cool stuff on offer this year. So we'll catch you in a bit. Bonjour! Welcome to France. So we're in France in EPCOT World Showcase Pavilions, and we're heading to get a snack, which isn't actually a Festival of the Arts snack,
no,
but this is something, it's all year, that's true. But it is something that we discovered last year, and it's definitely top on our must-do list whilst we're here. So we're going to take you to France and show you the must-do snack here. Follow us. 16 flavours. Now, Alice's not big on ice cream, so we go with sorbet. There's just some amazing things in here. Let's have a look. Look at all these flavors. I am sure the ice cream is just as good as the sorbets. I feel like I had mixed berries last year too. Also a little mix macaroons. So we found a little table that we can use in the corner, and it's in the shade. Today is really hot. It was raining and miserable when we left. Ooh. So, what you got?
Mango sorbet.
It is amazing. So we had it last year, just as good as we remember. Yeah. So that's our little tip for France. It's one of our must-dos. And it's a part of the dining plan, right?
Yep. You get a single cup either of the sorbet or the ice cream on your dining plan as snack credit.
So bingo. Perfect. And like we say, if you're not here in January, February when they're running Festival of Arts, this is an all year round snack. There's a lot of food blogging and everything at Disney now about really unusual things, like when we had the cupcake, which was done as a bonfire and that. This is a really simple snack, but it's definitely worth coming and hitting it, especially in the heat of the summer. This is going to cool you right down. Japan is one of my favourite places to come because I really like the shop. There used to be a shortcut there, but they've blocked it. You get some in our drawer tonight in the back.
Pikachu.
Huh? Pikachu! Ready? That's a good stress relief, you know.
I just want to show you all sword.
Hey, you're in the line, dude.
Look at the onesie. I love a good onesie. I like the Disney ones at home. So.
So what's this stuff?
I don't know, you can draw and paint. So I've done a Hidden Mickey look. Hidden Mickey, kind of. Not very good, really. I'm not a very good artist. Let's keep looking. So why? Lantern. I like him wagging his tail because he's happy.
Yeah.
Feeling less stressed now. So this here is the Funnel Cake Shack in America and for Festival of the Arts. They're doing a salted caramel funnel cake. I'm a big fan of salted caramel, but you're not a big fan of funnel cakes.
No.
So we're probably gonna miss that. But if anybody tries it, let us know. Okay, so Alistair actually just left me, decided she's not going to be in the video. Oh, he's coming around this way! He's there, he's in the shot, he looks so happy. So we're here at the American Pavilion in EPCOT, and we're here at the Festival of the Arts, what's it called? The Artist Table. I'll show you the menu in a minute. It looks amazing. So this is what we're talking about. We can use some of our snack credits, I think, on some of these. Yeah? I think Alistair's already made his pick, so...
the chocolate chip cookie. I think you were savouring on the chocolate flight.
Yeah, but I don't know whether I can possibly eat that much now since we've just had sorbet. So we might let Alistair get the cookie here and I might save mine until later on further around, see what else we can eat. So here's the menu, guys.
Oh, that's where it is. They said it was one of the top.
Okay. So yeah, the sipping chocolate flight was what I was kind of looking towards. And we do have like 1 million snack credits, so we could in theory get it, and if we don't like it, bin it. Okay, we'll do it. We're gonna go for the cookie and then the flight, chocolate flight. So that's those two at the bottom. We're being royal little piggies today. He's saying he wants me to come with him. He needs me to hold his hand. He loves me so much. If you could see his face right now. There's a photo that we've just done in the boardwalk in a photo booth where he's punching me in the face. That kind of sums up Alice's general response to me. Yeah. So this is the alcohol. So a white chocolate vanilla cream liqueur, a strawberry liqueur, and a chocolate cream liqueur. Here we go in the three. I don't do alcohol very well, so it's probably best that we avoid that. And the cookie is like the size of Alistair's head. It's massive. Oh my god. Instagrammable, like. Oh my god, you even get a paint. It's like an actual paintbrush.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I got it. Nom nom nom. Look at that. Yummy. I think we maybe need spoons. I know it's in. Oh, that's lower than pink. And that was probably on camera.
What? Let me set this here so it's recording here.
Photos first. So Alistair's cookie, you can actually paint. So he's going to paint something for us. That's I'm guessing that's a smiley face.
I can't paint, as we know.
So,
you can paint now if you want to paint. Not using proper colours. You ruined my cookie.
I'm not ruining your cookie.
Look at the concentration in her face. And she tries to paint a Mickey.
I'm not painting Mickey. She doesn't have ears like that. At least I'm making an effort. Bottom but this is the white chocolate. It's like drinking like literally melted chocolate. Oh, got that. This is the milk. It's literally just like melted chocolate.
Well, you didn't get alcohol in it, so.
I know, but I thought it would be more like a hot chocolate drink, but it's not. It's like melted chocolate. And this is a dark one. Not bad. However, the best way to enjoy it is to steal some of Alistair's cookie and dunk it. Oh,
So how was your chocolate flight?
oh, it was amazing. I didn't do very well with it. It was very sickly. You could easily share it, but it was very nice, very yummy.
The cookie was amazing.
And he ate it all. Although I did have a bit of it, but he ate most of it. And he even tried to paint. Yeah, I think the cookie was probably a better value for money, because if you really like chocolate, then the sipping chocolate is for you. However, I like chocolate, but clearly not that much. There was a lot there. Sharing one, I feel, but you couldn't have it. So. Card. From Germany.
It is Germany, yes.
I'm better at languages than Alistair.
Yeah, there's one train up there.
And there's two down. If you're a fan of Christmas, you come in the shop. It's all Christmassy.
To the weather shop, are you sure?
Yeah, this next one.
I can't see a thing. It's because it's a Christmas shop.
It's a Christmas shop. So when you don't come in January, or it's not Christmas yet, you can still have a Christmas bit. Because it's Christmas in Germany. Vive la Mexico!
Hello. So this is one ride that's never really busy.
But I love it.
It's basically like It's a Small World, but with Donald Duck.
So it's one of my faves.
Caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. We're party amigos, no matter where he goes. They 1, 2, and 3 goes. We are together.
So something I just discovered a year or two ago.
Really? You've only known about it that long?
Yeah.
Aww.
Never bothered bringing it.
I've
You can
known
get
about it
free
for a long
samples of cola. Which is great on a hot day. And it's actually empty.
So when you come in, you get into one of these, and then you get your little Coke. And you just knock yourself out with trying all the different sodas, all the different flavours. Be warned, they're not all very nice.
What's your favourite one?
I think, if I remember right, it's that one. It's like cherry aid, that one.
Yeah, I like the South African one.
That was my cherry aid one. That is like proper green. It's not green. What's that one like? Don't read that. What do you think it tastes like?
Strawberry and peach.
He's literally just read the description. Now, you might have heard, if you already know about this, about the Beverly, which is Italy. People say it's not very nice, and they say you should brave the Beverly, and Alice is doing it.
So I still like the taste of it because it's bitter.
Bitter.
But it's not actually a soft drink, I think it's just a small thing you're supposed to have between
Courses.
or something.
So I'll give you a bit of a close-up of the different flavours. So you've got Brazil. There we go, it's focusing in now. Peru. Zimbabwe, which was my favourite one. South Africa, which is Alice's favourite. Japan. Thailand. Greece. And the Beverly, which is Italy, is now trying more of his snot green South Africa. Not tried this for a long time. Doesn't really taste of anything too bad, does it?
Yeah. Alright, Brazil.
Let's go back to my cherry aid.
Brazil's is very fizzy.
Have a little head on it. Feels like little Polynesian.
So one thing I was saying, you can't actually buy these here.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh no, okay, you can't in the store, that's right. But they do have a whole load of merch.
Yeah.
So if you're a Coca-Cola fan, they've probably got everything that you never dream of.
So we should have actually said where that was.
So it's on, if you come in from the main entrance, you're gonna go past Spaceship Earth.
Let's go to Papa One.
So if you come in from the main entrance, you're gonna go past Spaceship Earth, and then you're gonna keep walking to where the big fountains are, and it's just before you're heading then over to like the bridge bit. Woo, hello. And you head into World Showcase. So if you hit World Showcase, you've gone too far. It's near Starbucks.
Yeah,
that's
just
probably
past Starbucks and
a
then
good
top right.
description. And the area that we're in now is just to the back of it. So it's facing on to Journey into Imagination, the land and the seas. That's all that side of us, and then this side is where the fountain is and everything. This area is usually pretty quiet, so if you are just wanting some space, if you've got kids in there throwing tantrums, using time out or anything like that, this is an ideal location that people tend to come and just be a little bit quiet. So right now there's literally nobody here really.
And it's air conditioned.
It's air conditioned, which today, oh my god, it's so hot.
For once, it's not cold.
And we didn't realise, we thought it was going to be cold, so we dressed very inappropriately.
The weather forecast is wrong.
But I'm wearing many ears, so it's okay. Just come back out onto the main bit, heading towards World Showcase, because we're going to head over to Hollywood Studios now. So we just thought we'd show you where the Coca-Cola actually is, and it's called Club Cool. So you can see that is Star Wars right there. It's Star Wars, sorry. I'm all about Disney. That is Starbucks, sorry, right there. That's Alistair enjoying the wonderful fountain view. Gonna join us. And then right ahead there, that's Club Cool. So this is the main entrance into it. We went into the one on the far side. So yeah, come on in there, try your different kinds of cola, and chill on out.
Cupcake hunt, we found while we're having dinner over at the Polynesian these really cool cupcakes that we've not seen before. One of them is Moana and the other is
Purple Potion.
Purple Potion, but it's not Purple Potion. What does it say? It's Ultraviolet Cupcake.
Ultraviolet Purple.
From Captain Cook's at the Polynesian Resort.
Like it. It's peanut butter and jam.
So Moana's is a vanilla cupcake with coconut mixed in with it. Guess we're keeping with the theme, coconuts and all that. She's got little red flowers, waves, and presumably a giant Smartie in the middle. The other one we have is...
I can't open it.
Oh, it's stuck to the cup. Is this ultraviolet purple one? Which has a purple bow on the top, it's sparkly. And you said it contained what?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly.
I'm eating Moana.
You eat
Hold,
Moana
please.
then. I will attempt to open the packaging.
Moana's tasty.
Well, if you're having Moana, well, it's a blob of jelly, it's not a Smartie.
Jelly is in like what?
Let's try and break the cupcake. So,
Do you think that's edible?
Yep. Coconut.
What, the cake as well?
Yeah.
This is very pretty.
Oh, I have the green thing.
What's the green thing like?
Jelly.
I don't think the sponge has got coconut in it. I think it's just vanilla sponge. I think you've maybe got like the coconut that's
On top.
which I'm trying to avoid. Personally, I wouldn't buy that one again. But I'm not a fan of coconut, so that's possibly why. I preferred the one from Wilderness Lodge. But that, what was that? There was chocolate, it had the marshmallow, it had the Oreo cookies. Yeah, I really like that one. This is good. But yeah, personal preference, Wilderness Lodge. We really hope that you're enjoying our videos here. If you are, please like us so that you can see more of us.
Yep. And on that note, make sure you click subscribe so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Most of the content will be Disney, sometimes not. Till next time, bye.
Bye.